So we're in Tahi Beach Resort. What is unique about this beach resort is this is part of Guimaras, no? Going outer side of Guimaras, facing the Sulu Sea, Palawan and the Sulu Sea, no? So parang nakausi yung Panay here on the right side. Then this area has a vantage view of the open Sulu Sea at saka yung Palawan, no? Kaya that explains on this corner, no? And that's on that side, yung portion na mataas dyan na area, nandun yung lighthouse, Guimaras Lighthouse on this side of the beach area. So that lighthouse was built on 1857 by the Spaniards. Yung mga siguro during the time, no, yung mga pirates, no, Muslim or Moro pirates coming from the Sulu, Tawi-Tawi area, they're into, diba, yung mga historically pupunta dito sa Visayas for some raids. So bago makadating, makita na kagad dyan sa area, no, ng lighthouse. So we had a quick dip here, no, sa Tahi Beach. It's an area na medyo mababa, no, because you have to walk pataas here, yung area. There's a walk there, siguro mga up to 50 meters na elevation. Now again, we are here in Tahi Beach in Guimaras, one of the islands we're completing in the Philippines. Malaki din pala siya, no, na island adjacent to Iloilo. This used to be a sub-province of Iloilo, but we check online, this is an independent province na. And daming mga perceptions. I thought Guimaras is way backward, but surprisingly very developed yung infrastructure. We even more advanced than Siargao yung road network. So they're building a bridge from Iloilo City connecting Guimaras. Andiyan na sila, tapos na sila.